Baobab Alley, Madagascar. Madagascar's Baobab Alley, located in the Manabe region, is a striking natural avenue framed by towering baobab trees. These trees, some over 800 years old, are known for their unique shape, resembling roots stretching towards the sky. Baobabs store large amounts of water in their trunks, enabling them to survive in arid climates. This avenue becomes especially breathtaking at sunrise and sunset, when the colors of the sky cast a magical glow on the trees' silhouettes. Beyond their beauty, baobabs play a crucial role in the local ecosystem and are an important source of food and materials for local communities.